Good day, this is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday until Friday, April 28 to 30, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. Right now, the northeasterly surface wind flow continues to prevail in some portions of the Philippine Islands, but somewhat it is not bringing out rainy weather across these areas. Not much of an effect. That's why we don't have to put it on the satellite graphical analysis. So we just place it as no major weather system is expected to affect any part of the Philippine Islands within the next 24 hours. The thunderstorms is usual during this time of the year, although we still have the lingering effects of the La Nina. And as usual, the island of Mindanao will expect those thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. So overall, the Philippine Islands will be good weather with sunny skies, cloudy conditions in the afternoon or evening, and some isolated showers in selected areas of the country. And the temperatures continues to increase. We have a heat index of up to 40 plus degrees centigrade in some areas of the Philippine Islands. Outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, we don't have any developing tropical disturbances or LPAs, as well as tropical cyclones within the next 5 to 10 days, based on the latest computer models. And we have here a surface trough, nothing to worry. We have here a tail end of a frontal system moving across to the northeast of Marianas. And we have another developing frontal system, which will be known later as the Mayu front. This is a springtime rainy conditions across southern China, which brings lots of thunderstorms and rain conditions across these areas. That's why it is common during this time of the year. But so far, that's all for the Philippine Islands. Nothing to worry. Here's the fast animation. All clear across the Western Pacific. And our zoom in satellite animation. As we said, the island of Mindanao will expect this afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Right now, we have here over central and western Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry, clear skies with some cloudy conditions and isolated rain showers. And as we look at our forecast for the next 2 days until Friday, so tomorrow afternoon, still possible isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across various parts of Mindanao, portions of Palawan, Visayas, and the mountainous region of Cordillera in central and northern Luzon. And on Friday, we could still expect the same weather conditions all throughout the Philippine Islands. And as we look at our global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, this is for the next 2 weeks. So on the first week, valid until May 4, April 28 to May 4, normal conditions will prevail across the Philippine Islands. Below average rainfall across the areas of Papua New Guinea, portions of the Western Pacific, as well as Indonesia. While on week 2, valid May 5 until May 11, dry conditions will be expected, or below average rainfall will be expected across the areas of Taiwan and extreme northern Luzon, but this is only around 50% probability, as well as to the southeast of Mindanao over the Philippine Sea and much of Papua New Guinea, but this is again 50% probability, and elsewhere across the Philippine Islands it will remain hot and dry. So far, that's the latest for this Wednesday until Friday, and we will be back again within the next couple of days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, for the latest on the weather situation as well as future typhoons threatening our country. So good day to all, and hope you'll be safe, and thank you for watching our channel.